tender yet chewy with a lot of flavor. I'm talking about a shrimp and clam fritter. Nice, nice, nice. This one is gonna be a good one. I'm Chef Winston, and welcome to Floribbean Cuisine. Let's get cooking. I love fritters of all types. In my catering company, our most sold or requested fritter is our conch fritter. That batter is to die for. You can make a banana fritter, pumpkin fritter, chicken fritter. In this case, I'm bringing you guys my shrimp and clam fritter. The reason I'm putting clams in this, you're thinking it's kind of weird. However, shrimp, it's so tender. Shrimp is very, very tender, so once this is chopped up and put into the batter, as you're eating it, it kind of melts away in your mouth. So the addition of some baby clams got this chewy texture to it. Once you're eating it with all of the good stuff I'm gonna put in there, it's gonna give you a nice texture. So let's get this here rolling, and this is gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna be using food processor to chop up the vegetables. You can hand chop them, but putting it in this here, it makes it faster, consistent. It's gonna work out really well. So in my fritters, I like to add a lot of flavor, a lot of vegetables, a lot of good stuff. It's gonna be pretty as well. So what I'm gonna do here to add to my food processor, I've got some onions, I've got some red and green bell peppers we add into the mix, some garlic cloves. What I got here, it's some cilantro and parsley. The recipe for this is in my private community. We've got this foodie community. If you guys would be interested in that, the link would be in the description. Put some parsley in there. We've got some fresh cilantro. And Scotch bonnet. So when you're working with Scotch bonnet, I cannot stress enough, put a glove on, at least on the hand that you're gonna be dealing with the Scotch bonnet. This Scotch bonnet, habanero peppers, they're very spicy. So you see, you wanna have a glove on as you're cutting it with your knife. So what I'm gonna do, open up the Scotch bonnet and take out half of the seeds. I'm not gonna give it a full punch. We don't want it to be too spicy. We're gonna put a half of it in here. And the other half, some of the seeds in the membrane, we're gonna put this in the garbage. This is looking good, coming together so far. I'm gonna cover this up, and we're gonna chop it up to a rough chop situation. Plug this in. Yes, look at that. We're gonna scrape it down. Looking beautiful already. Get some more chopped up. We don't want to puree it. We still want to leave it a little chunky because we want a chunky fritter batter. Very easy, and it goes along pretty fast. So this is looking good. Can you see that? I'm going to put it into another bowl. Building flavors, baby. We're making today a shrimp and clam fritter. It's going to be oh so beautiful, tender, a little chewy. You guys are going to love this one. So that's step one. So up next, what I'm going to do, we're gonna start chopping our shrimp. I could put the shrimp inside a food processor and pulse it, but I'm gonna hand chop this. I think I get a better result because I want big chunks of shrimp in this fritter batter, okay? So I'm gonna take some and just start chopping. In the meantime, I've got some oil working back here. I'm gonna bring it up here. I'm trying to get this oil to 325 degrees. So chopping it, just rough chop. So this chopped shrimp look really, really good. So we're gonna take this chopped shrimp and add it to our vegetables. This is all our wet stuff we're here working with right now. And on top of that, I've got these baby clams. Like I said, I like using clams because they got a chewy texture to it. This shrimp is very tender. Add some clams to this. Perfect. We're gonna mix this up. Just fold. Oh, looking good. Don't that look amazing? Yes. Shrimp and clam fritters in the house. So, following this, We're gonna add some eggs. Put some egg in here. 1 egg. Perfect. And I got some milk. I'm gonna follow some milk in here. We're gonna start folding this up. See how beautiful this is coming along already? And after this, we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. Mix that up, and then we're gonna start frying. And the best part, we're gonna start tasting. Oh, yes. Floribbean Cuisine with Chef Winston. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when all of this fresh, flavorful stuff is going down every single week. So now for my flour. To my flour, I'm gonna add some salt. We gotta make it taste good, right? Some baking powder. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take my whisk and I'm gonna fluff this up just a little bit. Then I'm gonna start adding my flour to the wet ingredients. See how beautiful that's looking? The flour is incorporated. The smell is insane. We're working on a masterpiece. You guys are gonna love this one. And as you notice, I wasn't mixing too vigorously. All you wanna do is fold. You don't want a tough fritter. You wanna gently fold this until it's all incorporated. And this is the thickness that I'm looking for. So, the oil. Let's get this here working for you guys. And put this on. Looking good. Correction, we're looking for 335, not 325. The temperature is where we need it. So now we're gonna start dropping these fritters by the spoonful into this nice hot oil. This is how we're gonna do this. Get you a nice little full spoon. I'm using a soup spoon, by the way. And start dropping it in gently, bit by bit, and watch them start coming together, and it's gonna start floating to the top. Beautiful. This is looking amazing. So as you're dropping this cold batter into your oil, of course the oil is gonna drop its temperature. You can turn it up to try to maintain that 335. This is looking beautiful. So once your fritters start turning into a nice golden brown, look at that. And it begins to float on top. That's letting me know the batter on the inside of the fritter is cooking and it starts to float. So it's no longer heavy. It's nice, light, and fluffy. So these fritters are just about done. So we're gonna remove them now. So these fritters are all fried up. Ooh, man. And they smell amazing. Look how beautiful these look. The best part is on its way. Let's get to tasting these. I'm excited. So I'm looking at these fritters, nice and crispy, smell amazing. As I open it, take a look at that. The chunkiness inside, look at this. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Huh. Whoa. I've got some lemon pepper sauce. Add to this. Oh! Yum. These here, you just cannot have one. Get this here a shot. Let me taste it one more time. This one make me want to spin around. Guys, shrimp clam fritter, a masterpiece. Definitely a winner. Please, don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single week I upload a brand new, tasty, fabulous video. Until next time, cheers.